Dive into my favorite part, and it is the tips and tricks for actually using your Brewista Artisan Kettle. Now, all you coffee lovers out there, the recommended brewing temperature is 203. That's what we recommend. That's what a lot of baristas recommend out there. Again, you can play around with it, make it your own, but 203 is what we recommend. And depending on if you're not a coffee lover, maybe you bought the kettle to brew your tea, or you do cocoa, we do have a chart on pages 8 and 9 giving you the different recommended temperatures for different beverages. With that being said, we also have another chart inside there because for those of you that don't know, the boiling temperature of water is 212, but there's a couple variables that play into this, and one specifically is altitude. So where I am in Cheyenne, Wyoming, we are very, very high up, and water actually boils at 199 degrees. So reference that chart based on your elevation and you'll have a better understanding of where your water actually boils. Now moving on to the base and boiling, this is my favorite feature. There is a fast boil button on your base, so for those of you that just want to get your water boiling as fast as possible because you want your coffee as fast as possible in the morning, like myself, use that flash boil or fast boil button and it's just going to go to boiling as fast as possible for you. Okay, so once your water is boiling, whether it's through that fast boil button or you set it to whatever temperature it is you want, once it is to that temperature, we do have a button on the base that allows you to keep the water warm up to an hour within a degree or two of the desired temperature. So that's called our keep warm feature. Make sure you don't forget about that one. And then another button to highlight here real quick in the tips and tricks for you is those of you that want to time your brew. When you pick up your kettle from the base, there is a timer button that you can hit and it will start a timer. That way you can time your brew, keep track of it, and you know, depending on how far in depth you want to get with all of that.